Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Holochain guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price update of the Holochain. What's going on in the Holo, what's the price changes. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the Holochain. The current live price and latest price of Holo in the market is about 0.010494 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of Holochain. And furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes occur and the Holochain is positive. I mean from yesterday the Holochain is start positive. I mean start pumping guys, the price start increasing from last yesterday guys. And possibilities guys, as I told you that they start jumping at the second week after September, and it is a second week, so that's why they start pumping guys. My prediction is going right. Anyways, let me show you the price chart of a Holochain. You can see here guys, from August the AMP Holochain price is gradually going down, gradually, not a quick. But here in September, in the start of September, the price is very badly affected by the September. You can see the changes is going complicated. But now in the latest situation, just look here. After 8 September, the price start pumping gradually, not a quick jump occur in the Holochain, but slowly the price start increasing, and possibilities that the price continue like that jumps for a long time. That's why I'm telling you that please hold Holochain for a long time. Hold. Absolutely, they give you profit. Other side, if we talk about the updates, so 20 positive 20.61% changes occur in the Holochain and 0.01306 USD dollar. That is the highest price in the last 1 month. So now Holochain is a profitable if you're a holder, so it's time to hold and it's time to make profit. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.